Make a great choice today with the 2016 Hyundai Santa Fe. Style, quality, performance, value. Need we say more? This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, traction control, stability control, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, front-wheel drive, power door locks, CD player, MP3 player, passenger airbag, security system. Come see the car for yourself.